Hi there, Ralph, NoizeBusters. Today I show you something which may confuse sometimes people in Bitwig with the macro controls, and there's a solution for solving this problem. So let's dive in. Let's say we have a synth here. And you have the option here to assign knobs to the interface. And the problem we have here now, you control the full range, but if you don't want to have this, there's a workaround for this. So if you take a macro knob from the modulator section, and then let's turn this up, click the blue arrow here, and then you decide what you want to control or how much you want to control, and then you map that control. Then you have only the range you actually want instead of controlling the whole thing. Hope that helps, and see you in the next one. Bye.